Morning, brothers and sisters. This is Chuck. Chuck's Off the Grid World. We got another little video here. Mary and I bought this little carpet cleaner machine, and we tested it out in the RV yesterday. And I didn't video that, but it was quite the challenge. The reason it's a challenge is because the RVs have little bitty areas that you clean with. We had to use this wand. The wand plugs into this right here, and then you spray the water by hitting this little button right here. It works extremely well. It's just a little bit on the small side. I have a friend of mine owns a carpet cleaning business, and occasionally he'll ask me to help him, and so I have a little bit of experience at carpet cleaning. And that little wand, although it gets into small areas, it's just a little bit on the small side, and it's hard to clean. Stuff gets down in there, and you have to use almost a needle to get in there and clean it out. I don't know whether this may disconnect here. You know, it probably says the instructions, but you know what I do with the instructions? I just give them a toss. So I'll have to go back and read them, I guess, if I can find them. But that goes into here. This is a Hoover. It's a Hoover model Power Scrub XL. It's fairly easy to assemble after you kind of look at it for a while. The soapy water goes into here. And then the stuff that gets sucked out, the dirt goes into there. It's easy to pull out and dump. This is easy to put in to clean it. Then it has brushes on the bottom under there. I can't tip it up because I got water in it. Then it sucks up like this. But we're going to try it today in the house on this little rug right here. There's Nico, the bodyguard. She got put her 2 cents into this. Well, are you a ham? You are. Okay, this little carpet right here. It's not filthy dirty, but it's been a while since we've cleaned it. We need to give it a go. But get this thing turned on, and we'll give her a shot. You're going to see my beautiful white legs too in this video. I'm going to get this extension cord out of the way here. Alright, so all you got to do, hit the little red button. Okay, let's look at the carpet here. Just barely damp. It's not soaking wet, but it's wet. It looks a lot cleaner. Has a better smell to it. All right. Thank you for watching. Hello, brothers and sisters. Chuck again. We just got done carpet cleaning 2 carpets exactly this size. I think it's 9 by 6 probably. 2 of them exactly the same. The other one's on the other side of the room. And then this is how much liquid we used. You're supposed to put in 2 ounces of this type of cleaner, carpet cleaner, per 32 ounces of water. I think we probably increased that amount to 3 ounces. But that's how much water we've used. And this has how much water is down in this, the dump water, okay? So there's not really that much down there, not as much as we put out, but it went down the carpet. The carpet right now it's still damp, but it's not all that damp. A couple things I dislike about this vacuum cleaner or carpet cleaner is maybe I should read the instructions. But this right here, stuff gets caught in that, and it's hard to get out of there. You have to use they give you a little special brush thing to go up in there, but still it's hard to clean. I'd rather it would come apart. I see a screw there, but no, it's not a screw at all. But it's a little bit difficult to clean. These containers are easy to dump and clean. This one's really easy to dump and clean. That's not a problem. But that and the little wand is hard to clean as well. So once, as far as cleaning, comparing it to a professional carpet cleaner, which I have some experience with, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it about a 6. But for a home unit, compared to other home units, I'd have to give it, I haven't tried other home units, so, but I'll just give it overall a 9. The only reason I wouldn't give it a 10 for a home unit is because it's hard to clean. Probably the other ones are probably just as difficult to clean, I'm not really sure. And the other thing I don't really like about it is this cord right here. The plug-in cord is way down here. So it wants to get underneath your wheels and get tangled up. If it'd come out up here somewhere, that wouldn't be a problem, but as much as a problem, but just minor stuff. But all in all, I'd give it a 9. So we paid, I bought it at Walmart yesterday, and we paid $148 for it plus tax. And then we bought some of this type of cleaner. I think it was about 20 bucks. But so I don't know, I recommend it. Thank you for watching. Hello, brothers and sisters. This is Chuck, Off the Grid World again. We just got done using the carpet cleaner, and now I'm bringing the container with the dirty water in it. You can see it, pretty dirty. I'm going to dump it out here on the ground, and this is a piece that sucks up the dirt from the vacuum cleaner, and it comes off real easily. I thought it was going to be a problem cleaning it, but I didn't just going to be able to hose it off. So here we go. We're going to dump this out. Not sure how we do it. First time for me doing this. I think we just open this up. Sorry, I need 3 hands. I've been trying to grow the 3rd arm, but as you can tell, I have not been successful at it. There we go. Just comes over like that. And look at this water. Doesn't it look good? Isn't that nice looking? Alright, I'm going to dump it over here, just out in the yard. Shouldn't be anything harmful. There's nothing growing right here anyway. Dump that out, and then you got all kinds of crud in there. Use the hose and just kind of hose it out. Hose this off. And hose this piece off as well. Sorry, but still need that third arm. Yeah, well, I've been working on growing that third arm for a little over a year now, and I haven't had any success at it, but I'm still working on it. I heard that vitamin E will help you grow third arm. We'll see. I've been taking it. Okay. No, that's not true. Spray some more in here. Oh, that's some nasty stuff in there. Alright, let's dump this out again. And then another time. This come out pretty clean pretty quickly. Still a little bit of crud in there. These little compartments down here got some nasty stuff sticking in there for some reason. Okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Rinse off the bottom side of them. Alright, I think we're good. Alright. That wasn't too horribly bad. Thank you for watching.